Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Paris, but ukipenda you can call me Paris. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe. And if you're my old gang, thank you so much, and let's keep it here. So guys, on this video I'm going to show you one of the very simple, healthy and easiest meal to cook. Ushaika warabuni, I know you're familiar with this. They call it mujadara. It's rice and kamande. So in water, put your clean kamande kwa sufuria yako yenye iko na maji ina boil. Weke kamande wako. Nimetumia 1 cup of kamande. Weka kamande wako hapo, and then ongezea chumvi, then funika na uongoje dakika kama 10. This is after 10 minutes guys, and then I'm going to add my rice. It's 1 cup also. Niongezee mchele yangu. Remember guys, I did not put any cooking oil. There's no onion, it's just boiling water, salt, kamande, and then cover your rice. Cover and give it some few minutes. And this is it guys, my rice is done. That was like 20 minutes later. And then on another sufuria, put your kitunguu and some generous amount of cooking oil. So pika kitunguu yako until it is golden brown. That's it guys. When your onion has turned brown, you just add on your rice, the cooked rice. You add it evenly. Wow, that's it guys. It's very simple and very easy rice. We are going to eat it with salad. This is the ingredient of salad I'm going to use. Just olive oil, cucumber, tomato, some lettuce and lemon. Just simple but healthy. Yes guys, that's it. Served well, cold or hot, no problem. It's very tasty and very easy guys. Just try it